कस्तो फिल भइरहेको छ रमाइलो
Hello, good morning once again. So I'm back after a little delay. So today is 24th of May, Friday. So Friday ho aaj हामी चाहिँ I'm heading to my post graduation ceremony organized by RCGP in central London. So stay tuned, I'll show you my journey. So first of all we'll head to London and I'll drop my car in my home there, and then from there we'll take a train to central London with our family. So stay tuned and watch it till the end, guys. Yeah, good morning guys. So well, good afternoon now. It's अब हामी चाहिँ यहाँ गाडी ड्रप अफ गरेर we're heading to central London. अघि भनेको ठाउँमा जाँदैछौँ. So stay tuned guys. Nursery. So म चाहिँ यहाँ चाहिँ बसिरहेको छु. के हुने चाहिँ यहाँ चाहिँ हाम्रो हैन. That's the entrance.
Right, I need to put these on you.
And now we just got inside the RCGP building. So we got this tag. हैन यसरी यहाँ हाम्रो अवेर हुँदैछ.
को हो यस्तो खतरा मान्छे कस्तो फिल भइरहेको छ रमाइलो
Feels good. Mind the steps. Don't know. Yeah. So अहिले चाहिँ हामी यो यही RCGP हैन भेन्यू. So हामी चाहिँ यहाँ हल्का सेरेमनी हुँदैछ गाइस हैन. So stay tuned guys.
पुरी इतनी
Video.
You got on this like round. And these
Dr. Gurung works at the RCGP in East Sussex. She would like to thank her parents and mentors.
सो अब बधाई गर्ने आज मेन सर्टिफिकेट होइन कि मेन सर्टिफिकेट पाइसक्यो